Despite manual processing, instruments often remain heavily contaminated. This presents a major hygiene risk and results in increased instrument wear. With the DAC Universal, you can easily adhere to hygiene standards, help maintain the function of your instruments, and protect your investment. The DAC Universal reprocesses your instruments in close to 15 minutes, including cooling. And this is what the DAC Universal infection control workflow looks like. Following treatment, the instruments are taken to the reprocessing room. There, they are attached to the lid. Use the blue lid for straight and contra-angle handpieces and turbines, and the green lid for numerous other instruments. The DAC Universal identifies the lid when inserted and selects the right program automatically. One push of a button is enough to start the process. The DAC Universal performs all necessary steps autonomously. Meanwhile, there's time for other things. After close to 15 minutes, the lid moves up automatically, and the instruments can be used promptly. For devices requiring sterilization, use a sealing device. And S1, S2, or S3 PureClave to sterilize the instruments. With the DAC Universal, your instruments always receive very good care, and your clinic is hygienically excellently set up, keeping your practice and your patients safe. DAC Universal. Goodbye, slow. Hello, flow.